Hello, third graders. We are continuing to learn about the western region of the United States. Today we're going to be focusing on the beautiful state of Oregon, which is located in the northern section of the West, and it borders the Pacific Ocean. So let's take a look at that. Capital of Oregon is Salem. And there's a coast of mountain ranges. You have the Cascade Range. There's a lot of forests. So here is the state of Oregon up close. You see Washington borders the north, Idaho borders the east. You have Nevada and California bordering as a southern border, and the lovely Pacific Ocean is to the west of Oregon. So some geographical features, you have some sandy beaches because it does border the Pacific Ocean, but there's also a lot of mountain ranges and rivers. So Oregon does have a lot of farmland. It also has a lot of volcanic peaks due to the Cascade Mountain Range. Mount Hood is the tallest peak. So yeah, and the summer and winters are usually pretty mild. However, the further north you go and the further east, the temperatures can get a little bit more extreme. Sometimes they may go below zero. And sometimes in the summer, it can reach above 90 degrees. So very different temperatures in the summer and winter. And if you look at this physical map, you can see all the types of the mountain ranges, which is pretty cool. So it's covered with mountains. So some important landmarks and geographical features. You have Mount Hood. It is the tallest peak in Oregon, and it is an active volcano, but they call it a sleeping volcano. So they don't expect it to erupt anytime soon, but some people on the ground can feel some tremors from it. So very cool. This is the Crater Lake National Park. It is the deepest lake in the United States, and it was formed from a volcano. This is the Multnomah Falls. This is the highest waterfall in the state. Very beautiful. This is the Bonneville Dam Historic District, and this was one of the first dams created in the United States by President Roosevelt. And this is the Lower Klamath National Wildlife Refuge. So it was a national refuge that was created by President Roosevelt to protect wildlife and preservation. So that's a lot about the geographical features and the national landmarks. You can see that, again, in the West, we're really feeling on the mountain ranges and protecting wildlife. There's tons of national parks. So that really goes with the theme of the western region of the United States.